Darien Garden Club. Sprouts. DGC 2023. Here's how the garden is looking. Look at all this grown from seeds from the kids. This is what we've been working on. So we have some buds. These are all going to be flowers. We have some strawberries up there. These are all flowers, all different kinds. We have them all plotted out, all marked for the kids so they know what's in each one. Look at these tomatoes. Look at them. Look at them. And these are our sunflowers that are growing over here. All of this is tomatoes. The kids come and water. They come and harvest. We got some peppers in here. That's just a jungle of tomatoes going on. Corn. Everything is doing really, really well. The kids are taking such good care of everything. Look at all of that. I'll just take you through the whole garden real quick. These are our peas. We had to put up some of this from little bunnies trying to eat all of our tasty garden items. We're working on back here next. Look at that. So cool. The kids made those over there to decorate. And then I'll take you to one more special spot. This is all the native butterfly garden here, where we have milkweed and all kinds of things for pollinators. Everything is labeled too, so the kids can come and learn. And we looked around for pollinators the other day with them. So that was super fun. Such a great place. You can come, drive in, look around. We have some milkweed pads. There's a little station set up about everything. Pretty awesome.